Morning guys. Well, as you guys know, I took AMD overnight, swung that, paid off big. I guess Trump came out with some news, perfect timing. Kind of got lucky on that one. On top of that, with the swing on AMD, I'm not in anything else. I did add 200 shares into it. I booked it already, the 200 shares, so I still have 500 shares. I'm currently have a 29.41 average because of the ad. I wish I held on to it. I didn't know the news because I was pretty much on the road while that was happening. It's when I got in and I seen everything ripping. So I figured I'll hurry up and do a quick recap on this one. As you guys know, I did take AMD on the swing. I did a YouTube clip yesterday on it, on why I was taking the swing, my thought process behind it. And so far it paid off. So if you guys look at it, it might be all jumbled up now. I took it right around here somewhere. I think it was a 29, 28 fill, something like that. And this morning, pretty much paid off. And again, I'll break it down. I'll tell you guys why I took it. I think I showed you guys this yesterday. Let's go to. This is what I was showing you guys. I seen this nice uptrend. Pretty much was pulling right into it yesterday. And once I spotted that, I told you guys I wanted to see if I can get the same thing I did the last time, which was pulled in trend, and I took it and I bounced it all the way into this 34.30 and sold into that. So my thought process was to do the same thing again this time, and it pretty much was pulling. I was willing to add into that trend, uptrend on channel and bounce it. And what do you know, guys? It pretty much bounced today. So I'm happy I did take it a little early, which was yesterday, and I got the move I was looking for. So at this point, what I'll do with this one from here on out is start moving my trailing stops on it. I won't give too much back on it and see. But right now, we do need to break that 30.45 to get more of a push. That will have room once you break that 30.45, possibly towards that 30.95 area on that. Slow move back up to there, and then we can keep pushing it up and walk that one up. But as of now, what I'll do is just move my trailing stops, like I said, on this one. So if I do get stopped out, I at least get stopped out with a decent price. I haven't sold any of those 500 shares. Like I said, I added 200, which brought my average up to what did I say? Average was brought up to 29.41. Sold those 200 shares, and what I'll do now is pretty much just keep walking it up from here, and let my trailing stop get triggered to get me out of trade, just like I did on the last swing on this one. So again, great news on the market. So market should push today with that news, and I think that's why AMD and everything is pushing. But again, like I said, this 30.45 is key. Need to pop that to push higher, and we can break out of this downtrend, and then I think we start pushing back up. So AMD, that's what I'm looking at on AMD. If it does start pulling back, I guess the first pullback spot will probably be around that 30.15 area, if it does, or right into this trend, and then see another bounce off of that. Trend breaks, then we'll probably get the 30.15 pullback on it. Just my thought process on it. I don't know, but again, I'll probably give this some room and just walk it up. As of right now, I'm not sure where I'm gonna move out my stops, but I'll just watch this one closely. If I start seeing it breaking down, then that's what I do with it. Again, guys, that's pretty much it. I didn't take any other trades. I will be out the rest of the morning. I figured I'd come in, do a quick recap, since my wife is still getting the kids dressed and getting things together with the kids. So up pretty nice on this one. 500 shares, added 200, total 700, sold 200. I wish I did add more, but I didn't. Again, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. I know a couple people have been reaching out, asking me to help with the charting and all that other stuff. So as you guys know, I have been trading with AJ. So again, me and him been working some things out, and I've been talking to him. So we'll see what happens. Again, guys, thanks for everything. If you like what you're hearing, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a like, share, whichever you feel. And that's it for me, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Peace. Stay green, guys.